Hello, my country people. Una good morning, good afternoon, good evening. Anytime when this story meet you, I take that time greet you. If it meet you for morning, I say good morning. If it meet you for afternoon, I say good afternoon. If it meet you for evening, I say good evening. I pray say everything wey we dey do, may God bless us, may God help us, may God keep us in good health, and everything we desire may come to pass. Amen. The tori wey I bring come today na tori wey bother me o. Na tori about women wey be say when time don reach when they wan go marry them, they go be angels, they go good, they go sweet, they go dey well with their husbands, mother-in-law, brother-in-law, sister-in-laws. Na dem be the best wife for house. Immediately they just marry them keep. You no wan see mother-in-law, you no wan see father-in-law, you no wan see sister-in-law, you no wan see brother-in-law. You go turn tiger. Na only you one day. When your own people come, your husband go join hand, una go welcome them, they go dey very comfortable for house. Una go gist, una go eat, everything go dey okay. But when you see your husband's people, immediately you begin dey frown face. Your husband people no fit come house. Nobody wey dey relate to your husband fit come house. They no even fit near your door. Which kind life be that one wey you dey do? Wetin you think say that kind thing mean? You no know say that kind thing go make man look you foolish. Na that kind thing go make man see you finish, because the man don already know say your head nothing there. Your head na empty head na im be. So as you dey like this, you believe say because man don go marry you come keep, man suppose forget him mother wey carry am for 9 months for belle. Him mother wey give birth to am, raise am, take care of am, breastfeed am. You think say he suppose forget am? The mother no suppose mean anything. Now you suppose which kind life be this kind life wey you dey live? Wetin dey your head? Wetin you think say you dey do? As you dey like this, that pikin wey you dey raise, make yourself put yourself for your husband shoe. Say that pikin wey you don born, give your husband. If you don born, give your husband. Say when he grow, come become something. The pikin, because he go marry wife, he no go see you as anything again. Because na wetin you want make your husband dey do to their family. Wetin you think say you dey do? You yourself, you know the shame. You know the shame. Say when your husband people enter house, you go dey frown face, frown face, frown face. You shame no dey catch you. No get shame for your eye. Wetin be the thing wey be say devil dey carry us like this? They play overtime with us. You think say a tree cannot make a forest? You think say your husband suppose just stay alone on his own? You no wan see your husband with the mother. You no wan see your husband with the father. You no wan see your husband dey in peace with the siblings. You no even wan see your husband dey in peace with friends. You want just kolobi somebody from your own family, put for your own family, and you think say he go happy. He no go happy. He go frustrate your life. Now wetin you dey do yourself be this? If you get friends where they advise you say when you marry, may you know dey nice to your husband people, that friend no love you. The friend want to destroy your family. Now I don't hear when women they talk say my husband mama no like me, my husband papa no like me, my husband this. You dey live for their house. If you dey live for inside the house when your husband and your mother-in-law dey, your father-in-law dey and all that, you go tell your husband make una try work money make you come up for that house. But if you know they live there, you they live on your own. Your mother-in-law come your house and you begin the frown face, no matter how bad your mother-in-law be. Now because you no get sense. If your mother-in-law come your house, he go stay there forever. Not be for 2 weeks or 3 weeks, you go stay, don't go. So for the sake of your husband like this, you no go fit try. Sorry. You no go fit try. Say make you tolerate your mother-in-law, make you show am love for these few weeks when he go stay. When she don't stay finish, make she carry her wahala go. You know if you do that for your husband. Now who they advise una? Who they advise una? You go sit down like this, you go say your mother-in-law na winch, your father-in-law, your mother-in-law na winch before you no kill your husband. Why you no kill am? Why you come meet your husband marry? You go say when things come begin the tough small, I don't dey waka everywhere. They say mother-in-law na winch, mother-in-law na winch, mother-in-law na winch. Before you no kill your husband, before you no even kill you when they won't come marry you. You go try to show love. See, if you want marry man, may you know say they marry their entire family. And inside that family, the good, the bad, the ugly, they inside. You go try to live with the good. You go try to manage the bad and you go try to manage the ugly, because inside us too, one person get the good, the bad, the ugly. You go think say na you they tolerate them. You go think say na you they manage them. Maybe them too they manage you, because we know they quick see our own fault. We they quick see other people's fault. Make you know say if you love man, you won't stay for your marriage. You go find place where you go put the family. You no go talk say make your mother-in-law or your father-in-law, your sister-in-laws, you no want see them for your house. You no go fit talk that one. I don't see when some women go talk say you go choose between me and your mama. Now foolishness go make woman talk that kind of thing. Some men don't dey like this way be say before they won't even go marry. They can't tell woman say, madam, see I get children, or I get 2 children, or I get a child. And I no marry since so because I want any person when I marry, making love my pikin or love. Now I no marry. Now, if you know say you love me, know say you go accept this child, the child go come in. You go agree. You go do conny make the man marry you. When the man marry you, you say the pikin no be part of una family. The man no supposed to take care of your family. Which kind, you don't say you no get sense. Because man wey get sense no go choose you over him pikin. He go take care of you, he go take care of him pikin. There is no place for you to even stand and say that I should choose between me and the child, or choose between me and the mother, or my husband go choose between me and the sister. Sister get in place, brother get in place, mother get in place, father get in place. And one thing when I want tell una, some of una we know they understand. These people no go feel struggle the love when your husband feel for you, because the love when your husband feel for you, they different from the love when your husband feel for the mother and the father and the sisters and the brothers. They know they struggle am. The only thing we be say we dey very greedy. When it gets small, we want share small. We wives we know they agree. Now make it carry all, give you, make you swallow. May no give others. If you love your husband, you go understand say in family they very important, just as your own family they important. If you get friends where they tell you my mother-in-law cannot enter my house, my friend, no say that friend no want to make your marriage survive. Her own feel they survive now, no, but may no say it go collapse. Because you no go fit make man come marry you, come talk say he no fit dey with him family again. If you want make marriage stay, you no go ever do something like that. Maybe we dey open our eyes, more they open our ears to people when they cancel us right and people when they cancel us poorly. No be say you go sit down like this. Anything when person talk, you go agree. Anything when person talk, you go agree. You sit down, you watch Nigerian film where woman they very bad to the husband's people. You think say na good thing for you to copy. If you copy, make you know say that marriage you no want keep am. And if you don't want keep your marriage, now the first thing we go do now make you begin they hate your husband's people. You go they suspect everybody. This one na winch. This one they look like say na winch. I see bad dream. I see this. I see that. Now you no be winch. Una go dey waka up and down, begin dey call people winch everywhere where you go. This na winch, that one na winch. Make you know say you no want keep your marriage. If you want keep your marriage, you go love your husband, you go love your husband's people. If your husband don't tell you say you get pikin before marriage, you go get love that pikin. You go show am love. Don't be say when pikin do small thing, you go beat, you go show hate. When you hate people they know. Even your husband go know. And your husband go stop to love you. And before you know, another woman will be say they show and love outside. He go waka leave you comot, and no be crime. These days it dey happen every day. You won't keep your husband, you go show your husband love, you go show him respect. And if to show your husband love and respect, now also to love and respect his family. If family member they attack you all the time, you know they agree, you know like you go draw your husband's attention to the issue. Now only when your husband no do anything, now you too you go react. But when we say your husband don't see the situation and if they tell you say okay, make we manage and make we try avoid them, you no go on your own, go stand, because your husband na your strength. Your husband na him be the person wey go guide you. Now him be the person wey be say you they follow, they tried, through the struggles of life. Maybe we know they allow people they cancel us badly. When you marry, may you know say you no marry only your husband, you marry your husband's family. Thank you so much. Thank you. Now your girl AB. Now in me a B for this pidgin English love, sex and marriage. Abeg, if you like dis talk when I talk, make you try subscribe to dis channel. Dis channel na we get am. Make you subscribe, make you press dat notification bell, dat bell wey you see so, take finger touch am, so dat when time reach when I upload video, you go hear, you too you go know say I don upload video, you go lis ten to wetin I dey talk. Dis na our own. Thank you so much. Thank you. May God bless you. Bye for now.